There's nothing quite like settling into your favorite patio chair and watching the birds. It's relaxing, fulfilling, and entertaining, and can help with insect control and pollination. One of the best parts about backyard birding is becoming an expert and being able to identify and attract new bird species. To reach new species and attract the birds you want to see, you'll want to use a few tips and tricks to reach them. Create a welcoming environment by placing feeders near natural shelter and offering running water year-round.
Still feeding your chickens mealworms from China? Now there's Grubblies, a healthy farm-fresh snack that chickens love. Grubblies are oven-dried black soldier fly grubs sustainably grown on farms in the USA and Canada to keep your chickens healthy and happy. Why Grubblies? They'll come running for snack time. Just shake the bag to round up your girls. While they enjoy every peck of all-natural protein, Grubblies will keep their feathers looking beautiful. Plus, with 50 times more calcium than mealworms, Grubblies will help your chickens lay eggs with stronger shells that won't crack before the kitchen. Try Grubblies, the healthy snack that chickens love.
The Squirrel-Buster Plus is the largest of all the Squirrel-Buster bird feeders. It holds 5.2 pounds or 2.3 kilos of bird seed, which means you won't have to refill it every single day. Did you know that the Plus had been voted the best squirrel-proof bird feeder by Popular Science? So let me show you what makes this feeder so extraordinary. Well, first of all, it is truly squirrel-proof. When a squirrel gets onto the bird feeder, its weight closes the shroud, cutting off access to bird seed. This feeder is weight adjustable so that you can control what size birds you want to feed on it. And then there's the Cardinal ring, which has been designed specifically to attract northern cardinals, which are normally ground feeders. This feeder can also be used without the ring. And finally, the seed ventilation system will keep your seed fresh and dry longer, attracting more birds to your bird feeder. The Squirrel-Buster Plus is super easy to fill. Remove the cover and fill it with black oil sunflower seeds. Put the cover back on. You can either hang your Squirrel-Buster Plus, providing an 18-inch or 47 centimeters clearance on all sides, or you can get a pole adapter and you can pole mount it like this. And now you can enjoy squirrel-free bird feeding with your Squirrel-Buster Plus.
Possums, raccoons, and squirrels can wreak havoc on your feeder. You need a varmint guard to protect your feeder from those intruders. This varmint guard easily attaches to any quick lock hopper or feeder. Its all-metal construction will keep raccoons, possums, and squirrels out of your feeder. And by removing the bottom, you can have quick access. This varmint guard fits on the Easy Lock and Pro Lock series of Moultrie feeders or on any barrel feeder with an 18-inch or larger diameter. The Moultrie Varmint Guard.